Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find the App Store on your Samsung TV. So what we want to do is hit the home button here on the remote control. And if you have a look here, it says For You, Live and Apps. So work your way up to that bit there using the arrows here, and you press enter by hitting that one, and you can work your way over to Apps and press enter, and it will bring you down here. You have recommended, and then you've got provided by Samsung. Editor's choice, work your way down. These are all the ones that you've already downloaded. Lifestyle apps, sports, popular this week, what's new, and then you can look at genre as well. But what's interesting is it's actually very hard to find anything, in my opinion, from this bit here. It's much easier to go to search, which I'll show you in a minute. But let's say if we wanted to find HBO. So if we go into video, it's going to bring up everything here related to video. But on my TV, it's not even alphabetical. So look how many there are. And I've got to find HBO from that there. There's loads and loads and loads. So you're going to be looking for half the day. Now, I actually did see it earlier. So let me just find it. There it is. So you can go to there, HBO Max, press enter, and then it will give you the option to install it. But you will take a long time to find what you want there. So I think it's easier just to exit that and go straight to search. So now when you're back on this page here, so let's go to For You. So all we have to do is go to the magnifying glass on the very left hand side. So use the arrow keys, go over to the left, go up to search, press enter, and now go up to search there, press enter, and then type in HBO. And now if we go up, you're thinking, oh, it's still not there, but it will be there. Just scroll all the way to the right, keep looking up here, keep looking. Eventually you will see it and it's there. So don't think it's automatically going to be on the left hand side, because it's going to show a load of shows that begin with H or a B or an O. And if you go to HBO Max, you can see then that we have it here, and it tells you how big the size is and what we have available. So it's only 10 megabytes, yet we still have 1.14 gigabytes available. So I'm just going to go to install, and now it's going to install it, and now we can open it from there. I'm just going to go to close, and if I go back to home, we should find now that when we go to apps and then go down to our ones, you can see now downloaded apps that we have HBO there. So it's quite straightforward if you know the app you want to find. Thanks for watching.